Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. Thanks for always being there. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very beautiful and simple blouse, and trust you're going to enjoy this tutorial. Just come along with me, take your time and watch this video to the end. So let's get started. Now I have my fabric here. The fabric is already on fold, is in 4 pieces already. So I'm going to count from the tip here, from the base, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 pieces right there. So I will be cutting both the front and the back piece at the same time. So right now I'm going to start by measuring what I have as the width here. So I have 10.5 inches as the width. Can you see? 10.5 inches. Now for the length, I have 23.5 inches. Can you see? That's for the length. Now the length actually depends on how long you want yours to be. You could extend yours by 1.5 inch, making it 25 inches. So you could make it shorter a bit. So it actually depends on what you want. That is for the length and even for the width. So right now I'm going to start. Now from the edge here, from the side here, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches inward. So I measured 2.5 inches and I have it here. Here is it, 2.5 inches. Now from that point, I'm going to measure 6 inches downwards. So, and I have my 6 inches right here. Okay. So here is my 6 inches. That is from this edge here to where 6 inches stops. So right now I will just go ahead and connect this line to meet this, and also this point to meet this sides. So just to connect to meet the shoulder line. Okay, and I will also connect this to meet the sides of this fabric. Can you see? So having connected the lines together, so what I'm going to do is just to create a curve right here. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to trace it. I'm going to cut right now, tracing it like this and cut this off. So here is it. So having done with the body, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cut the sleeve. So now the next thing here is to cut the sleeve. So right now from the edge here, I also have the edge here, 4 pieces, because I will be cutting the 2 sleeves together. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from the edge here, I'm going to come in by 2.5 inches, just like I did for the bodies. Okay, can you see? So right now, from here, I'm going to come down by 6 inches. So I connect that line together. So as you can see, I've connected. Then I'm going to extend it to this side. So right now, I will just go ahead and create a curve right here. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to cut it off. Can you see? So right now I'm going to keep this aside. So right now I'm going to open it up, this sleeve. Can you see? I'm having two pieces, that is the two sleeves. So I'm going to take the bodies again. So I'm going to place it. This is the bodies and this is the sleeve. So I place it right side to right side. So like this on the armhole line. So what I'm going to do right now is to stitch like this. Okay. After stitching like that, I'm going to open it up like this. Then I take the second piece and right side to right side. I'm going to place it. Then I use this and I will sew this together. I will also sew this to this. After that, I'm going to take the second piece or the second sleeve. I will do likewise, right side to right side. I will place it like this. Then I sew the armhole down. Okay, so the second piece, here is the second piece. I sew the armhole down. After this, I will also come to the second armhole of the bodies. I will also go ahead and sew it, tracing the armhole line. I will sew it. So that's the next thing I'm going to do right now. Now, as you can see right here, I've sewn the body's armhole to that of the sleeve armhole. Can you see? Can you see? So I have it like this. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and stitch the sides of the bodies to the sleeve side. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to sew from the base of the bodies up to the sleeve sides. Can you see? So I will just stitch it like that. And also to my left hand side, I will do likewise. So I'm going to make it equal before I stitch it together. Can you see? So I'm going to stitch like that. Then up to the down part of the bodies, the blouse. So that's the next thing I will be doing right now. So as you can see, I've stitched the two sides together. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to come to the shoulder line, the up part of it. Now I'm going to use um I've already cut what I'm going to use to tape it round, and here is it. I have the width of this to be 2 inches. So it actually depends on the elastic you are going to fix, but in this case I will be using the tiny one, which is like 0.5, and before then I'm going to stitch with 0.5 upward. Then with the 1 inch remaining, half I stitch it up here, then downward, so I have the total of 2 inches. So right now, and the length depends on how wide it is. So right now I'm going to go over to the shoulder, then I'm going to stitch right side to right side like this, so with 0.5 inches. So I'm going to stitch round. So as you can see right now, I've finished sewing the bias tape to round the shoulder line. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to fold it inward like this. Okay, then I'm going to sew like 0.5. So I'm going to sew like this downwards. So after that, then I'm going to fold this in and seal, but I'm going to leave a space where I'm going to pass my elastic through. So as you can see right here, I've stitched the upper part, you see, just like in 0.5 or even less than that, just little. I have 0.5 here, you can see. Then this other one here, then I went down to close it down, but I left the space for the elastic. So here is the space for elastic, is about like 0.5 also, because I will be using the tiny elastic. Right now you can see I've finished sewing it round, as you can see right here. Okay, so the next thing, I had to leave an opening through which I'm going to pass my elastic. So I'm going to show you the opening which I left, and here is the opening. So it is from here that I'm going to pass my elastic. Now I have already cut the elastic. Here is it. Can you see? That is for the shoulder line, and here is for the sleeve. I've also cut that of the sleeve, so I'm going to spread it out like this so that you can see it vividly. So I have here, this elastic is for the shoulder line, while this one is for the sleeve. Okay, this is for the sleeve. Okay, and here is the second sleeve. Here is the elastic for the second sleeve. So right now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to pass the elastic through that opening which I left. I pass it round. All right, as you can see right here, I've come to the conclusion of the tutorial. I went down to hem it, the down part. Okay, can you see? Here is the shoulder line. Can you see how beautiful and relaxed it is? Can you see? I hope you like this. And here is the sleeves. Okay, the two sleeves. Here is it. So I want to believe that you have found this tutorial very helpful. If you have, please and please kindly give it a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for always being there. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. And if this is your first time you watch my video, I welcome you to this great channel. Here's a channel where you can learn a lot step by step. And in this channel, you feel free to drop your question and share the video and even make a comment. Thank you very much. So all you need to do is just to click on that subscribe button below. Please click on it and also click on the notification bell And also make sure that your notification bell is always on so that anytime I post a new video, you will get notified. Thank you very much. So, till I come your way again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.